Where do I even begin when the heart is filled with so much emotion? A battle we thought we won. This is the most difficult time that the family are going through. I never imagined life without Faith and Patricia. Sometimes I catch myself talking of being old answer. You, T and Max here. Let me give you a short story of my journey with them. Faith was one of my aunts that was always good looking. She made sure she had her pink cheeks every day. I used to call Faith my sister. The response I got. Faith was my voice at work. Always said, "Exo avocado." She made sure we had the last say. Patricia, on the other hand, would always tell me, "You think it's groot." She always gave good advice and told me to better myself. Never have I enjoyed a closer relationship with relatives than with those two ladies. Always there to guide me through life. I know that's not just no, sorry. I know that it's not just for me who feels it this way. Everyone who has ever had the privilege of being in the company of these ladies would agree.